Hello and welcome back to my channel where we explore the latest advancements in technology. Today, we're going to be talking about the latest advancements in robotics technology. Robotics technology is rapidly evolving and has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. In this video, we're going to be taking a quick but informative dive into the latest advancements in this exciting field. The first is the industrial robotics. We have industrial robotics. These robots are designed to work alongside humans in factories and warehouses, making the production process faster and more efficient. We're going to be exploring some of the most impressive examples of industrial robots in action, including robots that can sort and package products, and even robots that can move heavy objects. Next, we have healthcare robotics. This field is rapidly advancing, with robots designed to assist in surgeries, help with physical therapy, and provide care for patients. We're going to be exploring some of the latest advancements in healthcare robotics, including the Da Vinci surgical system, which allows doctors to perform complex surgeries with more precision than ever before. Now, let's take a look at service robotics. These robots are designed to assist with household chores, provide caregiving services for the elderly, and even interact with humans for entertainment. We'll be exploring some of the most popular service robots, including SoftBank's Pepper robot, which can engage in basic conversations with humans, and the iRobot Roomba vacuum cleaner. Finally, let's take a look at the latest developments in autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and trucks have the potential to revolutionize the transportation industry, making our roads safer and reducing traffic congestion. We'll be exploring some of the most impressive examples of autonomous vehicles in action, including Tesla's self-driving cars and Waymo's autonomous trucks. Ethics and the future of robotics technology. As we explore these exciting advancements, it's important to consider the ethical implications of this technology. With robots becoming more intelligent and capable, we must ensure that they are used ethically and with consideration for the impact they will have on society. We'll be discussing the challenges that come with developing such complex technology, and the importance of ensuring that we use it ethically. In conclusion, the world of robotics technology is rapidly advancing, with new breakthroughs happening every day. From industrial robots to service robots, healthcare robots, to autonomous vehicles. This field is transforming the way we live and work. As we continue to explore the latest advancements in this exciting field, we must ensure that we do so with consideration for the impact it will have on our society. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you in the next video.